Court is calling 2023 CR 11178, State of Texas versus Tracy Marie Valdez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Motion to the state.
Defense?
Bridget Gassa for.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Okay.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes,
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
yes.
Ms. Valdez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishments be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility, $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation and community service restitution hours. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. I offer State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
We have no objections.
Showing you the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes. Your Honor, we're asking the court to follow the recommendation of the ADA. Ms. Valdez is 38 years old. She is homeless and she will continue to be homeless. She plans to reside at the Haven for Hope. While in custody, she has taken it upon herself to take courses in the reentry classes to reenter society. She's taken anger management courses. She's taken AA meetings at the jail. She's taken social classes there at the jail. She has been in custody for 127 days. So she is willing to comply with any conditions that the court may impose upon her. So she's asking the court to follow the recommendations.
All right. Do you have any children?
No.
All right. Do you have any family support system here in Bexar County?
Yes, I do.
And who would that be?
My aunt.
Okay. And what about mother, father? I'm sorry to hear that. All right, when's the last time you had employment?
It's been a while. I have,
How long?
it's been, ever since I've been, my mom passed away, like 2 years, 3 years.
All right, so you're gonna have to get employment, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so have you talking to somebody or had therapy to address the issue?
Yeah, I talked to the people from the reentry.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is gonna do. The court is gonna find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There will be 100 hours of community service restitution. She's to reside at Haven for Hope. Of course, if you're able to get housing, just let probation know.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna want a referral to felony drug court. If felony drug court accepts you, and they will, if you're honest with them about your drug use. And they will help you with housing, they'll help you with employment, they'll help you with any trauma or therapy you need in regards to your family. You understand? There is to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, a TAP evaluation. I'm gonna want a MIC evaluation. Felony drug court, that's gonna be done while she's in custody. They should be able to see her. Next week is a short week. So no later than 2 weeks, they'll be able to evaluate her and see if she's eligible for their program. I'm gonna want field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. And then thereafter at probation's discretion. Proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm gonna want the TAP evaluation, MIC evaluation, and felony drug court evaluation in custody. Of course, if felony drug court accepts you right away, they'll probably remove you from custody and the MIC evaluation and TAP will be done out of custody. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, and I'll do no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, I'm gonna show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I understand.
All right, good luck to you. We're off the record. If you need anything, let probation know. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. All right? Thank you.
The atmosphere is thick with tension as Tracy Marie Valdez appears before the formidable Judge Stephanie Boyd. Valdez pleads guilty to possession of a controlled substance, a state jail felony, hoping for a probationary deal. Her attorney highlights her efforts, anger management classes, AA meetings, and 127 days already served, painting a picture of someone trying to turn her life around. But Judge Boyd zeroes in on the hard facts. Valdez is homeless and hasn't held a job in over 2 years since her mother's passing. Judge Boyd's tone shifts from procedural to profoundly stern. She accepts the guilty plea, but then systematically destroys any illusion of an easy path. She sentences Valdez to 2 years in a state jail facility, suspended, but attaches a crushing 3-year probation term loaded with strict conditions. Valdez must complete 100 hours of community service, reside at Haven for Hope, undergo its CAP evaluation, and submit to random drug tests. Most pointedly, Judge Boyd mandates a referral to felony drug court, warning Valdez that honesty about her drug use is non-negotiable for acceptance. The judge's most dramatic decree is the ultimatum on employment, proof of employment within 45 days of release. She explicitly bans Valdez from working in home health care or with minors, emphasizing the seriousness of her rehabilitation. Judge Boyd also orders monthly home visits and a mental health evaluation, leaving no aspect of Valdez's life unmonitored. Throughout this, Boyd's authority is absolute, her delivery sharp and unyielding. She makes it clear this is a final chance, a structured yet severe opportunity for Valdez to rebuild or face the full force of the suspended prison sentence. This is a masterclass in tough love jurisprudence, where compassion is framed within ironclad rules and relentless accountability.